Blackboard's Grade Center is a comprehensive tool for managing your gradebook. This video demonstrates some of its most important features. We're in our course and we'll scroll down to the Course Management area of the menu and select Grade Center. We have several options here. Needs Grading accesses work waiting to be graded. Full Grade Center opens the gradebook. Assignments and Tests opens filtered versions of the gradebook. Let's select Full Grade Center. Next, we'll minimize the course menu by selecting the bar next to it. We are now looking at the course gradebook. Students' names are listed in the rows and individual assessments in columns. Blackboard defaults to a point-based grading system. It is possible to use a weighted system, but we'll have to save that for another video. You can maneuver through the gradebook by using the scroll bar. If the scroll bar is missing, try clicking on Edit Rows Displayed and increasing the number of rows. That usually works. When you mouse over an item, additional information is displayed. Even though Blackboard automatically creates grade columns when you create an assessment, instructors frequently need to manually add additional columns for items such as class participation. Let's do that. Selecting Create Column takes us to the Create Grade Column screen. Let's name the item Class Participation. By default, the first 15 letters will display in the Grade Center. We could enter a shorter displayed name using the Grade Center name field. Let's leave it blank and accept the default. Entering a description below is also another option. Now we'll customize how this grade is displayed. We want to view both the letter and the actual score, but limit the student to viewing only the letter grade. This is easily done by setting the primary display to the default letter and the secondary, the one that only the instructor sees, to score. Next, for category, we'll accept the default No Category. Now we're required to enter the points for the item. Let's enter 10. If this was a non-credit item, we would enter 0. We'll skip rubrics and due date and move on to options. Here we have more settings that relate to what a student sees. Instructors should review these settings. For our purposes, we'll accept the defaults and submit. Again, we're back at the Full Grade Center. If we need to change the settings for an item, just select the down arrow next to it and choose Edit Column Information. Another choice, Hide from Students, hides that grade from students. Next, we'll show you how to move gradebook columns. First, select Manage and then Column Organization. Now scroll down to the assignment and then drag and drop the item to its new location. We can hide columns from the instructor view by selecting various items to hide, then choosing the Show Hide button lower down and selecting Hide Selected Columns. Let's submit our changes. We are again returned to the Grade Center. It's easy to manually enter a grade from here. Just double-click inside a cell and enter the grade. Next, we'll work with items that need grading. First, we'll maximize the course menu, go to the Grade Center, and this time choose Needs Grading. We can filter by category, item, user, and date submitted. This is useful when there's a lot of work waiting to be graded. In our example, we'll filter by the discussion category and select Go. Clicking on a student name will bring us to the discussion posting. Students can view their grades by selecting the My Grades link from the course menu. Our final set of instructions will show you how to delete and add back the My Grades link for students. To delete the link, select the down arrow next to it, then delete, delete content, and then delete again. Now to restore the link, select the plus symbol from the top of the course menu and select Tool Link. Name it My Grades and select My Grades from the drop-down. Make it available to users and then submit. Now we'll move the new My Grades link into position by mousing over it, selecting the double arrow to the left, and dragging and dropping it into place. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.